3D printing personalized meds are almost here. Medication created just for you is no longer a pipe dream, with Curify Labs bringing 3D drug printing to hospitals and veterinary facilities. Pharmaceutical manufacturing is closely linked to mass production. In order for medicines to be sold cheaply, they often have to be made in huge amounts. But what happens if you need a drug in a different dose than what's being sold? Or a different ingredient in the mix than what's on offer? While personalized medicine currently exists, it's strictly small batch stuff, as compounding the manual preparation of individualized drug treatments is difficult, time-consuming, and lacks quality control. But now Helsinki startup Curify Labs is automating the process by bringing 3D drug printing to hospitals and veterinary facilities. Nicholas Sandotopoulos is a former professor in pharmaceutical technology at Akademi University. He started his experimentation using a supermarket purchased inkjet printer, replacing the ink with pharmaceutical ingredients for proof of concept. The results were promising, and the idea of 3D printed drugs took off. Please check full article in description. Thank you for watching.